Good morning. Today is Monday, December 23rd, 2024. I'm here at Palm Cove Marina. This is the Yamaha Pontoon. I do have concerns for the paint on this boat. It just took me quite a while to clean it because there was an abnormal amount of tube worms and tube worm growth on this boat. So I cleaned it as best I could to where you could see the paint. The paint's still there. There are some chippings on both of the pontoons, but you're really going to see where there was a lot of tube worm growth that if I were to try to clean all of it off, it would have taken your paint off even more. So let's go ahead and check it out. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.